welcome to All Things Birdie. If you clicked on this video, then you're interested in seeing how I turned my completely boring white little space background in my bedroom to this. So keep watching. Hey guys, so this is the space I will be decorating. As you can see, that's all I have. I mean, it's not a whole lot of space, but that's really all you need. Let me show you guys how much space I do have. Yeah, see, that's about it. That's it. So I went with the green fig vines because I wanted more of a fresh summer kind of feel. But if you want a fall or autumn type of feel, there are burgundy looking orangey fig vines as well. I'm gonna post a picture of those. I will be using regular wall pins to hook the fig vines to the wall. I like using pins that have the hook in the end just in case I want to add anything to my decoration. It's going to be super easy. I got these pins from the dollar store, so they were $1 and it's like 40 pins in a pack, so that's like a really good deal. I found that sending the pin through the fig vine stalk made it easier to handle and more stable on the wall. So I decided to go with Christmas lights that I had at home simply because I wanted this tutorial to be very everybody friendly, I guess, and using stuff that you can literally find at home. So yeah, you can go ahead and purchase vines that do have the lights already attached to them. I saw one in Shein. It was like $4 a pack, but to get like the full wall I had, you would have to pay for 6 packs at least, and you know, pay for shipping as well. So yeah, so I'm just going ahead to place the pins on the wall, and I'll put the lights first and then put the fake vines over them. I might decide to buy smaller lights instead of the Christmas lights later, but I just want to show you guys that, you know, you can just do with what you have and still make it look pretty. So So that's it, guys. I think this will work better with little white lights. So, you know, watch out for my next videos to see if I change it. But other than that, I don't think it's bad at all. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like this kind of videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's the little red button that literally says subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.